It's Super Bowl Sunday, and we're about to tackle some rats. Hut one, hut two, hike! All right, guys, it is Super Bowl Sunday. I'm in Inglewood. That's where the Rams Stadium is, of course. No traffic. It's a beautiful LA morning. So the Rams Stadium is right over there to the left of the freeway here. So here's a little bit of a football fact with David and I. We were the running backs for our high school football team. Check out some of the plays. One of my highlights, guys, it was a game against 29 Palms. It was tied 20-20. There was only 7 seconds left. They had the ball. I played cornerback. Guess what? I intercepted it and ran it back 72 yards for the winning touchdown. Pretty cool, right? LA Rams and Bagels, here we go. Enough of football. Well, listen, guys, I get a call from Landon, who you can tell over the phone was just at its wit's end and so tired of these rats. They have played so much defense with covering all of the entry points, and they just can't seem to get rid of the rats. They're localized in this one area, and so he's called us out to finally solve it once and for all. The team's about to show up. We're trying to get this job done, solved, so we can go back home and watch the Super Bowl. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to get started. All right, let's go meet Landon. Hello, hello, hello.
Come on, puppies. Come on
hello. In. How are you, Landon?
Good, brother. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, buddy. All right, so Landon, you've been hearing some activity, huh?
Yeah. So this house is very different than normal homes because it's built in the 1950s. There's no attic, so the roof is the roof. There's no crawl spaces in the home, which in one regard is it can be more difficult or less difficult. You know, there's an attic and there's all these different things. This little run here. It's above here. It's sort of the end of where they can go, and then they're coming up into here, and the only crawl space is now up right above here.
Above here. Okay.
So you're actually, as you swing out this way, you can see sort of the ledge.
Yep.
And then there's about 8 feet of closed space, and so they're running in between this space and down.
Down this wall here?
Well, it's the wall that's connecting from here.
Getting ready for the Super Bowl, huh?
Yeah, man, gotta get that pork going.
Nice. Okay.
And so they're basically running into this zone here, this wall here, and then that connectivity wall that runs through here.
Okay.
And we can hear them in those walls, and that's all we've had anywhere.
Now, when you purchased this home, was this already like this, or did you remodel it?
They remodeled it. This wall was already here, but there was a lot of plumbing happening. There was a lot of things.
Because you've hired a couple pest control companies, right?
Yeah, third one. Yeah.
Okay.
So the bigger ones first, and then went to guys like an animal trapping guy. And he was like, hey, once you find it, please tell me, because I don't know.
He's at it.
He's like, I've been out here, and as you said, I literally have had him close up anything that could be possibly a spot,
All right, guys, as you can see, we got to have some good defense today to get to these rats. So we're going to start with our smoke test, get everything set up, and see what we can do to help Landon here. My team has arrived. What's up, players?
What's up?
Big Super Bowl today. What's up, big guy? Super Bowl Sunday. Happy Super Bowl Sunday.
Happy Super Bowl
Sunday. We got a big game ahead of us today, guys.
Yes, sir.
Big game ahead of us today. We got to play some defense. Head coach Jim is going to be playing you guys hard. Let's go to the playing field. Playing field's over here. There we go. All right, let's head up to the roof. Okay, guys, I did a sniff check on all of these ABS lines. Nothing. However, I came over here to this one right here, which is the old cast iron, or galvanized rather. That has a little faint smell. So I'm gonna have the guys do a sniff check, and let's see if they choose this one. Okay, Victor, let's do a sniff check. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? You tell me which, you do the same thing. Enrique, come over here to this one. Tell me if you guys smell anything on any of the vents. Right? This has the, okay? So where do we want to put the smoke?
This one.
Exactly. Perfect, guys. Might be a touchdown. Let's see. All right, guys, so I have one of our team members going up. He's gonna tap on that galvanized so we can kind of see where we're at. I think he's around here. If you remember Landon, he said they kind of go from here and run across this way. So we do have that hatch there, so we'll need a little ladder and hear him walking. So he's right here. We may have a touchdown here soon, Landon.
Okay.
We're on to something.
Really?
Okay.
We're on to something.
Already, wow.
Yes, quick. So we're gonna
Wow.
start the process now. So we're gonna get inside here for sure. So we're getting that set up. Yeah, there is no access here at all, guys. Yeah, he's absolutely right. There is no access whatsoever. Hey, Victor, give me the small cone. Okay, so here's that new bathroom here. Here's the bedroom. Here's that common wall. Something is going on inside this wall right here, is my prediction anyways. Guys, what's your prediction today? Super Bowl, Rams or the Bengals? Enrique, what do you want?
Bengals.
And you're in LA?
Yes.
Ooh, guys, should I keep him here? You know my prediction? Rams is gonna smoke the Bengals. I mean, just smoke them, smoke them.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
All right, here we go. This is the start. Here's the kickoff. All right, we're getting smoked, so what do? We cap it. Of course, we cover it with the Rams blue color tape. Okay, guys, I'm getting a little bit of smoke here. Let's see if I can show you on the camera. See if you can see a little movement. Let me see here. Very faint, guys, but there definitely is smoke coming in from that direction. There it is right there. Little gushes of smoke. Watch. A little bit of a haze, guys. See it right there at the top of the screen? Right there. There it comes. Aggressive. All right, we're gonna move the bed back here, move all this, get prepared to open up this wall. There could be some live rats, guys, but we have an amazing defensive team right here. We're gonna cover these here so we don't want any live rats potentially going in the closet, so this will be covered. Here's our critical barrier. Okay, we're gonna open up a small area here first. Here's the shower, here's that lab. So what we're gonna do is just do a small hole, and then we'll look inside and see which direction once we turn on the smoke. A rat dropping right there, guys. This wall cavity getting some odor as well. We're gonna go ahead and get the smoke going. I think we're starting to get smoke. Yep, we're starting to get smoke. Here we go. Yep.
Right here.
Right here. There's the smoke. So we're gonna follow that now. We're also getting smoke coming out of our incision that we made, but definitely this direction. All right, here we go. Pipe completely chewed, guys. Completely chewed. Just blows my mind how aggressive they can be. Touchdown! Touchdown! Landon,
Yeah, but
good news.
okay.
Look what's happening. They chewed through your pipe.
Oh my God! Wow.
Look at that. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
So here's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
We're gonna cut this pipe. What
Okay.
they did is, this is a, I don't know why they put a combi in the
Yeah.
wall. We took our camera back there, and it's just a cap.
Okay.
So this fitting does nothing.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is cut all this out, put a new solid piece. This is a vent right here, so I'm gonna stuff it with a bunch of metal
Okay.
inside so they don't get back in.
Okay.
But that's where the issue is.
Holy shit! Wow.
So we're gonna fix that.
Okay.
I'm gonna reintroduce the smoke, make sure that we don't have any other breaches.
Okay. Awesome, dude.
But we found
Thank
it.
you so much.
You're
Thank
so
you, guys.
welcome. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and replace this section here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add our enzymes, some of this in here as well. That's where they were coming in, guys. That's an 1.5 inch pipe, so it's 2 by 1.5 inches. So you could see that 1.5 inch pipe is nothing for those sewer rats to come in. We're gonna go ahead and put some enzyme and Clorox in there, get rid of some of their pheromones, and we're gonna cut some metal inside here. Again, guys, this is a vent. You don't ever want to do that to a live drain, but because of this is a vent, we're going to go ahead and block them. You can see that they chew through the wood right there to get to this wall cavity here. Tons of smoke. Man, I thought I was going to be home watching the Super Bowl. All right, guys, look at this. We thought we were home free. This is the laundry line. Look at this right here, completely chewed through all the rat poop. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Yeah, they've been coming behind the washing machine box here. Look at that. They've chewed through your laundry line.
What the f?
See that right there?
Oh my god.
Look at all the rat poop back in the wall. And then see the grease marks and some of the poop? They've been in your washing machine box.
Are those pipes not supposed to be plastic or something?
No, they're ABS, but your guys are gonna need a sewer check valve because you're getting a lot of sewer rats into your home from the city sewer. Okay guys, so we've covered this for today. Get through the Super Bowl. I've wire meshed a little bit inside that wall as well, but this is covered till we get back and resume on the repair. You see how important it is to take that extra step? We could have made an assumption that that was the only place that had the breach, but because we take that extra effort, we're able to diagnose another. So who knows, there could be other places here where there's a lot of breaches. And the thing with smoke testing is you've got to do the repair and then do another re-smoke. Do a repair, do another re-smoke, and so on and so forth. So I'm glad we were able to take that extra effort and find this situation here, but he's definitely going to need a rat prevention device installed on his sewer main for sure, without a doubt. These are aggressive sewer rats here. Had to climb over these big washer and dryers. Feel like I just got tackled. All right, we're going to go ahead and cover this hole. Guys, I don't have any snap traps, but I've got our big glue trap here just in case. Normally don't like using those inside a wall cavity, but for this case, anything will work for today. Well guys, we're at the 20-yard line. Still have some yardage here, but we're getting there. Check out the traffic. Everybody's headed to the game. Well, it's Monday morning, day after Super Bowl. The Rams, 23-20, baby. Bengal fans, sorry. Anyways, guys, enough of football. We're here back at Landon's. We got to now deal with a few things. We got to deal with that laundry. And then we've got to start doing some camera work and some more investigative work because these sewer rats are obviously very, very aggressive. So let's go in and see what we're going to do to take on this challenge today. So, what was the score yesterday?
Okay, I get it. Rams won.
Okay, thank you. All right, let's forget about football. Let's deal with these rats today.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get set up. I'm gonna have to remove this dryer as well. Probably push this back, remove this completely so we have a lot of working area back here. Okay, so we removed the dryer and placed it here instead of pulling it all the way out because we're limited on space right here. What we've done is we've created an access point through this window. We'll just go in and out of here and work in there. All right, so we've got to figure out a good strategy to fix this here, guys, because the rats have chewed all the way down below the concrete. So we're gonna have to take some more of this base molding out. Good thing it's just a vent. I'm gonna remove all these hoses so we have access to work here. That looks nasty. These sewer rats can become super aggressive. We've had them. In fact, there's a video you guys can check out. They came actually through the P-trap of the laundry, up the standpipe, and chewed through the discharge hose of the washing machine, and then entered the house through here. Incredible what they do. Now we're gonna have to try to get this piece connected here. I'm gonna have to route this pipe out of this fitting here. It'll be a little challenging. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and run the camera while we have the line open just to kind of verify and see if there's any breaches if they've chewed through the horizontal underground. So just before we make this connection. Okay, we're getting the camera set up. Oh, shoot. Let's see here. Looks like they're chewing through that horizontal underground pipe, you guys. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and run the camera that outside clean out just outside this bathroom. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and run it through here. All right, we're not getting the best view on the monitor, so we're gonna run some water. That'll clean our lens. Start seeing water here, and that'll clean the lens, give us a better view. So this looks like it's the original cast iron. Okay, go ahead and shut the water off. So by running that water, you see how much clearer now we have a better visual of inside that pipe. Okay, we're completing this repair. We shoved our wire mesh in there. Did the best we could with this type of repair here, but it's a good thing it's a dry vent, but put tons of wire mesh in there, so that's definitely gonna help. All right guys, so we did that repair, and look at about 12 inches over. There's another chew here, look at that. These rats were going to town on this plastic. All right guys, so this has been replaced now. I actually added some 1¼ inch copper pipe inside there. So this is solid now. Wow, that was a lot of work, you guys. Have no idea what it takes here to get these pipes fixed here. Still very tight access, and be able to do it right takes a little bit of work. That's why a lot of you guys, when you guys call our office to see how much we charge, really hard to give a definitive answer to that, because we went from 3 or 4 different places. We have no idea where these rats have traveled. So if you're calling our office and inquiring about pricing, just to let you know, it's not an exact price. We're not your typical pest control companies. The great thing is Landon did express how quiet it was for the first time last night. So that's good news. All right, I gotta go get Landon and give him an update. I think he's gonna be pleased and relieved, so let's go check in with Landon. Okay, Landon, we got a lot accomplished today.
Yeah, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's been 5 months of just absolute hell. I mean, between three different exterminators, probably upwards of 15 different visits, and closing off every single hole possible. Not even those other people didn't even consider the other issues, the other potentiality, given like all the different types of data. And then you guys came in immediately and kind of had a plan, jumped on it. And I think more importantly didn't just stop at the first situation, because it would have just been another. You went and made sure the job was done thoroughly, and have also given me a better long-term plan. So
nice.
Twins, fabulous. I mean, literally, our sanity will be restored because of this. I can't thank you enough.
Thank you so much. Well, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this episode. Super happy with the results. Getting Landon's sanity back together here and protecting his home. Please leave your comments down below. Hit that subscribe button. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.